Let me ask you something. What is the answer to this? 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Is it 24 or is it 12 or something else? If you said 24, I'm sorry, you're solving it wrong. And today, I'll make sure you never lose marks in simplification again. Hello champs, welcome to Think Mathic. Today, we are mastering one of the most important rules in mathematics, that is BODMAS. Trust me, once you understand this, simplification becomes super easy. What is BODMAS? B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. BODMAS tell us the correct order to solve mathematical expression. Math is just like traffic. If everyone moves randomly, it leads to accident. And BODMAS is the traffic rule of numbers. Let's understand with a very basic example. For example, 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Should we add first or should we multiply first? According to the BODMAS, multiplication comes before addition. So first, we are going to multiply 2 with 3. Since 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, then the expression will become 6 plus 6. And then we are going to add, so the answer becomes 12. So the correct answer is 12, not 24. Many students go from left to right rule and they add first and 6 plus 2 results into 8 and then they multiply with 3 which gets the answer as 24, which is wrong because we didn't follow the BODMAS rule. Now let's understand the second example with brackets priority. Again, let's write the rule of BODMAS. Understand the order in which we need to solve. Since B stands for bracket, so the first thing is to solve the bracket. Just remember, bracket always comes first. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And then we're going to multiply this 6 with 2. And the answer is going to be 12. Let's understand with the third example, that is division and multiplication confusion. Now student thinks division always comes before multiplication. Here I need to clarify, division and multiplication have equal priority. So we always solve from left to right rule. So the first step is going to be 20 divided by 5, which makes the answer as 4. And then we're going to multiply 4 with 2. So finally the answer is going to be 8. Left to right rule applies when operations have same priority. As we know, division and multiplication have equal priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction also have equal priority. So if any expression is having addition and subtraction only, then again you're going to follow left to right rule. Let's take another example which has mixed operations in it. That is addition, multiplication and subtraction with brackets. So as per the BODMAS rule, we need to solve the bracket first. We will solve our bracket, that is 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. The new expression will become 8 plus 4 multiplied by 4. Next step is to multiply them. So we will multiply 4 into 4, which makes it 16. And then finally we are going to add, that is 8 plus 16, which is equal to 24. Now, advanced example having the orders inside it, that is the exponential power. So here 5 raised to 2 plus 6 divided by 3. As per the BODMAS, we have bracket first. Since this expression doesn't have brackets, so we will follow the order. So first step is to find the order, that is 5 raised to power 2. That means 5 into 5, which makes it 25. So now the expression will become 25 plus 6 divided by 3. The next step is to divide. So we are going to divide 6 with 3, which makes it 2. And then we are going to add. So 25 plus 2, which makes us 27. Always solve power before division and multiplication. This is the common exam mistake that is made by the student. They normally follow again left to right rule and end up getting the wrong answer, where the correct method is to multiply first and then subtract as per the BODMAS rule. Remember this sentence: big, old, dragon, make, angry student. That help us to remember the BODMAS. Now, solve this expression and comment your answers below. I'll pin the correct answer in the comments. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and comment BODMAS Master if you understood everything. Subscribe to Think Mathic because here math becomes easy.